Lalita.
teacher.
Sige na. Sige na. Nap
Lapis
time.
na wala.
No, nap time. Nap time.
Lapis.
Nap time. It's nap time. I am from India. Wow, nice to meet you, friend. Uy, bad. Yeah. Sige na, nap time.
Ah!
How are you?
But two.
But. Nabut-but ka. Ano daw?
Teacher, look.
Are you a teacher, yeah? And I have my special class.
Look,
Look at.
teacher.
That's my student.
Ay!
That's my baby Kendrick.
Mom!
No. That's my Kendrick. Okay, and it's nap
Yeah.
time. It's nap time. I said it's nap time. Good afternoon.
Teacher.
Don't touch
Touch
me.
me, touch me.
Don't touch me. What is this name? His name, what's your name?
Kendrick Idolat.
Kendrick Idulan. Come here na. Kendrick. You answer that one. 50 minus 26. Yeah. You answer that.
15, Mom. 15.
His name is Kendrick Idulan.
His name is Kendrick Ikawan, the teacher.
What's my name?
Teacher Kawan.
Sure?
Kawan.
Cowan. I am beautiful or not?
Beautiful.
I am beautiful. He said I am beautiful.
I'm not beautiful. I'm handsome.
Huh? You are?
I'm handsome.
Handsome. Okay. I am
Beautiful.
beautiful. And you are?
Handsome.
Handsome. You are so beautiful. Thank you so much. He sent me kisses and a heart. How to form a heart? How to form a heart? Yeah. To form a heart. Wow! Meow, 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 meow.
Yeah.
You know that song?
You.
That's bad. That's very, very bad. That's bad. That's not good. I'm not in a I'm not in a good health. It's amazing, yeah.
Ame, can you stop?
It's my special student. Hoy, that's bad. Okay, you're not done with your. I am Lalita Yadavia. Nice to meet you, Lalita. Hello.
Put your hands up, teacher. Put your hands up, teacher Kawan. Put your hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Now,
Yeah. Put it there.
put it. Okay, here. He arrives with an. I read in 10th class. Oh, from Haryana.
I want to study.
From Haryana.
Oh, teacher.
Okay, you study. Okay, now finish. I read in 10th class. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, you write it. Diba? I said here. You copy it here. Study, copy. Hey, don't do that. You copy it here. Chloe and Chase. And this one, Makati City. Sorry, excuse me. You write letter M. No. Here, you copy it here. Kani, Makati City. You write the M, the big letter M like this. Then Makati. What do you do at your age, please? I am 27 years old and currently I am teaching and I do special classes. You write the big letter M.
Fire.
No, that's bad. Gil, write the letter M. Big. M. Letter M. What's the letter M? Looks like. Letter M.
Fire.
Uy, it's bad man. Ay, ano? Like that. Like this. Did you see it? Like this, the big letter M. Like that. You write it. Are you in school? Yeah, I'm still in school because I have special class now. Then this one A, K, K,
K.
K. Okay, A, letter A again.